Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've seen how AI can act as a powerful collaborator in our projects. But what if there was an AI assistant that could help you with intelligent code completions and suggestions as you type without even asking? In this lesson, we'll introduce you to Amazon CodeWhisperer, a powerful AI coding assistant. We'll show you how it works and how it differs from other tools we've used. By the end of this part, you'll be ready to supercharge your coding workflow. To get started, you'll need the AWS Toolkit extension in VS Code. This is the simplest way to install and manage CodeWhisperer. Once installed, we'll connect it to our AWS Builder ID. Don't worry, it's a simple free process. The tool is free for individual use. Once you're connected, you'll see a little CodeWhisperer icon in your status bar. CodeWhisperer's magic is in its inline suggestions. It analyzes your code and comments in real time. Unlike other AIs that require you to type a full prompt, CodeWhisperer gives you a suggestion as you type, and you can accept it by pressing the Tab key. Let's try it out with a simple function. Watch as I just type a comment, and it suggests the entire function body. Function to find the factorial of a number. CodeWhisperer also works great with Docstrings. Let's start a function signature and a docstring, and let CodeWhisperer do the rest. This is perfect for writing common functions with clear documentation. We'll have it generate a function to find the maximum value in a list of integers. Notice how it understands our intent from the docstring alone. Def find max numbers list int, find the maximum value in a list of integers. A key trap with CodeWhisperer is accepting suggestions without thinking. Always review the code to make sure it's what you need and that it's secure. A major best practice is to be descriptive in your comments and docstrings. The more context you provide, the better the suggestions you'll get. Also, use CodeWhisperer as a productivity tool, not a replacement for understanding. It's a great way to handle boilerplate and repetitive tasks, but you still need to know the fundamentals. All the lesson resources, including a quiz and a coding challenge, are linked in the description. Be sure to check them out to practice your new skills and keep your learning momentum going. To quickly recap, we've installed Amazon CodeWhisperer and seen how its inline suggestions can make you a more efficient coder, especially with repetitive tasks. Now that we know how to use AI assistants like CodeWhisperer and Cursor, we're ready to tackle a new project. In our next lesson, Project Full Stack Chatbot with Cursor, Part 1, we'll start building a full stack chatbot from scratch using Python, all powered by AI. Hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribing helps us keep making more content for you.